Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting priorities. Pick 3-5 target keywords for each page based on intent and traffic potential, because relevance drives clicks. Once done, install Analytics in Google Search Console and submit sitemap. XML so you can measure impact. Make sure your site uses HTTPS, mobile-first responsive layout, and fast hosting to reduce bounce rate. These initial choices shape everything that follows. They tell search engines what to index and give you real data to improve pages iteratively. Now focus on execution. Optimize every page title tag, meta description, H1, and URL for your primary keyword so search engines and users immediately understand the topic. Create one pillar page of 1,500 words and several supporting posts that link into it. This content cluster improves topical authority. Once done, add schema markup for rich results, write descriptive image alt text, and build a clear internal linking structure to distribute page authority. These steps increase relevance and click-through rate over time. Finish by cleaning technical debt. Resolve crawl errors, improve core web vitals, and set canonical tags to prevent duplicate content issues because technical problems block ranking gains. Then establish a routine, monitor rankings, traffic, and conversions, and a /b test headlines and CTAs to push performance. If visibility drops, run an immediate audit of backlinks, robots, TXT, redirects, and site speed. That single troubleshooting step often reveals the root cause and gets you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.